My question to you is, there's Muslims out there that say the word Ya Rasulullah and say Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is alive, and some Muslims out there that say he's dead. Where do you stand in this?
Well, Quran clearly says the prophets are alive in their graves. Allah Ta'ala give them rizq, meaning they eat and they're alive in their graves. So my iman is as per Quran, because Quran says it and that's ultimate. So it's not my opinion, I have to go with the word of Allah.
Alhamdulillah. So I'm me and you are alhamdulillah one. Does that make sense? So I hope everybody's understanding what he just said. In the Quran it clearly states that the shaheed, they are still alive, which is martyrs. Now, if the shaheed are still alive, and there's rankings in Islam, prophets are number 1. The shaheed are number 3. Now, if the shaheed are still alive, of course, then the prophets are still alive, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
This is where we're having like a lot of our community today saying, no. Once someone's dead, they're dead. Guys, understand this. We clearly understand the fact that in the Quran, it clearly states that everybody must taste death. Sabne mot chakna. But that does not mean everybody dies. So just because you taste death doesn't mean you stay dead. That's the difference there. And only a lot of people understood this matter, and that's where we're getting a lot of people turn around saying the wrong thing these days and not believing that the prophets are alive. And even then, when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to the high heavens and spoke with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as he was returning, he spoke to another prophet. Who did he speak with? He spoke with Hazrat Musa alayhi salam.
Yes.
And these people believe that he was dead. Oh, wait a minute. If Hazrat Musa alayhi salam is dead, how did they talk?
Well, he talked to him in heavens. Obviously, for the world, he's dead. But obviously, for all the good souls, they're alive up there.
That's what I'm
The
trying
soul
to say.
never died.
Subhanallah. So that's the beauty of Islam. Islam has so many, mashallah, so many elements to it that people cannot just pick up the Quran and read it themselves. You need a teacher to guide you. You need a teacher to have that guidance. Without the teacher, forget it. There's no chance.
You know, even in worldly matters, you cannot become a doctor just by reading books.
No.
You have to go to school, college, teachers. You have to do multiple things, exams. Obviously, you have to interact with all these institutes and institutors. So how can you become an alam? How can you learn Quran and Islam without an instructor?
मैं अकेला और मसाइल ज़िंदगी के बेशुमार मैं अकेला और मसाइल ज़िंदगी के बेशुमार आप ही कुछ कीजिए ना ए शहे अली भकार मैं अकेला और मसाइल ज़िंदगी के बेशुमार मैं अकेला और मसाइल ज़िंदगी के बेशुमार आप ही कुछ कीजिए ना। बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त कलाम है सर, हम बचपन में सुना करते थे और मैं वो कलाम पेश कर रहा हूँ और हर जितने भी हमारे यहाँ लोग मौजूद हैं उनने भी सुना होगा। मैं वो कलाम पेश करता हूँ। फासलों को तकल्लुक़ है हमसे अगर हम भी बेबस नहीं बेसहारा नहीं।